Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're ready to start now. Confirm your device supports Memoji and open the camera set to video. Once the camera is in video mode, tap the effects or the star icon to open stickers and Memoji. Choose a Memoji you've already created. If you don't have one, create it quickly in Messages and return. This first step gets you into the recording interface with the animated avatar layered. Make sure your face is visible to the front camera, so the Memoji can track expression and move. Once the Memoji is applied, watch how it mirrors your facial movements. That's how live tracking works, so position the camera at eye level. If tracking feels off, adjust lighting and move slightly closer or farther until the avatar follows smiles and head turns naturally. Tap record and speak clearly to test lip sync. If the mouth or eyes lag, stop and recenter your face in the frame. These adjustments ensure the Memoji captures expression consistently during full takes. Now record your full video while keeping your face centered and expressive. Short head motions are fine, but extreme angles can break tracking. When you stop, review the clip and use the share sheet to export or send it. If the Memoji stutters or won't follow, first restart the camera app. If that fails, reboot the device and check that Face ID and motion permissions are enabled. That one troubleshooting step fixes most glitches, so you can re-record with stable tracking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.